Oh man, are you kidding me? There you are. Damn. So the good news is I found the hole. And with a puncture this small, normally you could fix it with a plug, and if it were located on top of the tread, it'd be a good permanent fix. Unfortunately, it's usually frowned upon to try to plug something that's in a shoulder or sidewall. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway, just to show you how easy it is to do, and then I'll go ahead and relegate this one as a trail spare. As you can see, this is an old ARB tire repair kit that I've had forever. And over the years, there have been plenty of copy kits that have come out that are a lot more affordable, and some of them that are a lot more complete. In fact, if you look in the description below, I have got a link for one, and you can buy one there. As you can see, my kit comes complete with plugs, a rasp, an insertion tool, some lubricant to help make things go in easier, and then miscellaneous tools that you'll see like valve stems, extraction tools, some valve stem caps. Some kits will even come with a pair of needle nose pliers like you see here, so that you can extract whatever's inside your tire, like a nail or a screw or otherwise. Unfortunately, whatever's in my tire is so small that you can't see it. It's like buried in there, or maybe it was a nail attached to a pallet and just poked it and pulled right out. Either way, I'm going to have to remount this hole so that I can get a plug in it. But before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and air up my tire to about street pressure or a bit more, because it'll make it a lot easier to work on a tire that's rigid than soft and pliable. Fortunately, I've got my handy dandy ACM air compressor mount bracket installed on the firewall of my Gladiator, and if you're interested in one, you can click on the link in the description below and buy one today. From here, everything should go pretty quick and easy. And the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is get my plug ready. So this is the insertion tool, as you can see right here. It's kind of a needle with a slot in it. I'll go ahead and grab a plug. And then we're going to slide it through the insertion tool so that it's about halfway through, like you see here. Go ahead and open up the lubricant. Take the tip. Just put a little bit on there. Doesn't need to be that much. Just to help make it easier to go in. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside for now. Then we're going to grab this guy. This is a rasp And this is going to help me to open up the hole just a bit more to make it easier to get the plug in. So because the tire is full of air, it's not deflecting at all. It's making it a lot easier to get this rasp into it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. Go ahead and get the plug. All right. Almost done. So we're going to push this in about 2/3 of the way through. Whereas you can see here, most of the way in, so that the stems of the plug are still sticking out. And then we're going to hold it in place and pull straight out. Try not to twist it as you go. And if your kit didn't come with a razor blade like mine didn't, you're going to need something like a utility knife, like you see here, to cut the excess off so that it lays about flat with your tread. No bubbles means no leak. And that's all there is to it. From here, all you need to do is double check the pressure in your tire, and if need be, give it a little bit more. Otherwise, you're done. That's simple. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and as always, keep the shiny side up, all four on the floor, and with any luck, we'll see you on the trail.